Today we will discuss about the Linux FSH. FSH means File System Hierarchical Structure. I open to my document. Here, this is a Linux file system hierarchical /root /boot /bin /var /cd /media /home /bin /usr /dev /opt /mnt. Those are different in each. If you have /root is a different partition, /boot is a different partition, /bin /var is a different partition. But in before we will discuss about the Windows file system hierarchical standard. Okay, if you are installing the Windows operating system, is stored in single partition C colon. All the booting files or system related files or all the application files or the user related files will be stored under the C colon only. If you are affected one of the account in virus, if virus this standard user, otherwise you take administrator folder is affected virus, so automatically affect the user directory, also automatically affect the program files, so automatically affect the Windows files. So total Windows operating system will be crash. That's a very drawback. In Linux not like that. Each file system, each important files, if we take the booting information will be stored as /boot only. Those partition will be separate. So if I affect any virus here, we can remove the inside the DVD, you can remove the /boot partition, you can again install the /boot partition only. You can recovery process very easy compared to Windows. Windows is we can need to install the operating system again. Here Linux not like that. But in Windows most of the virus only .exe virus. So Windows easily can attack operating system to virus. In Linux is not execute for the exe virus. Linux only supporting for the .rpm or .dbe packages only. What is this file system? /root is the admin user, admin home directory /root, home directory of the root user. Home is the all the, if you are creating 100 user, those user will be stored under the home directory only. Each user return the data is stored on under the home directory only. This boot /boot is a booting information. In Linux, three important point is that grep. Grep is the Grand Unified Bootloader. This is a grep menu is there in CentOS and only for the grep. In CentOS 7 grep 2 is there. Grep 2 is a bootloader of the Linux. In oldest version Linux loader, LILO loader is a Linux loader. Next is process is the init or d, booting files will be taken. Next third point is very important, kernel. I am already saying kernel. Kernel will be control all the tasks, controlling and managing the all the hardware and software tasks. But Linux latest version is VM Linux 3.10 is the Linux kernel versions in CentOS 7 versions. S.Velan is a system binary. S.Velan means system binary. Here is stored lot of command. Those command only execute for the root user, cannot execute for the normal user. /bin is a binary. Binary means here also some command is there. Those command can execute for the admin user, root user also, normal user also. For example, /bin command can execute for the init 0, init 6, fdisk shutdown command cannot execute for the normal users. USR already said when I installing the operating system. USR means unique system resource. Here all the installation packages in Linux is Windows said for the application .exe format. In Linux is said for the packages .rpm .db extensions. That's the way Linux is secure compared to Windows. Virus will be not executed. /etc means configuration, all the configuration files. If you are configure the DNS, DHCP, FTP, NFS, all the configuration file will be stored on under the /etc only. /db device, db means device. Here is all the hardware information is available. If you, how many space of your hard disk, how many RAM, what's the BIOS version, what if you connect your pen drive, what's the brand of your pen drive, total size of your pen drive, all the information you got the slash dv device location. Slash var means variable. Here store all the log information. Log means if you are creating the one user, or if you are sending the one mail, or you given the one printout, all the event is log. That's the log will be stored on the slash var location. Slash opt, this is a empty directory. Here you can install the third party application. If you are installing a Teamweaver or any other third party application, you can choose this location. Opt is optional. Use this. Slash media also empty directory only. Mostly you are using slash media or slash mnt also empty directory only. This slash media slash mnt we can use for the mounting point. If you are inside the dvd or pen drive, you can need how to access, we need a mounting point, so we can use these locations. I'm already said Linux, in Linux any one of the directory will be affected in virus. If we can affect the whole, or we cannot affect the whole operating system. That's a Linux file system. So close it.